Welcome to today's video about the surprising benefits of eating garlic at night. Have you ever stopped to think that something as simple as a little clove in your kitchen could quietly transform your health while you sleep? What if I told you that this humble, strong-smelling ingredient can help you lower your blood pressure, strengthen your immune system, improve your digestion, protect your heart, even give a little boost to your intimate life, all while you're resting in bed? It sounds almost too simple, right? But that's exactly what we're going to explore today. In this video, we're going to discover the nighttime magic of garlic, from ancient remedies passed down through generations to what modern science is uncovering about its powerful compounds. By the end, you might find a new reason to make garlic part of your nightly ritual. Before you begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment where you're watching. Remember to subscribe to receive more natural health tips and share your thoughts in the comments. It's always a pleasure to see the reach of our community. Now, just a quick reminder. The information in this video is for educational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice. Always consult your doctor before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you take medication. All right, let's dive into the many benefits of nighttime garlic consumption, starting with the first. Strengthens immune function. Let's start with one of the most well-known benefits of garlic, its ability to boost your immune system. When you crush, chop, or chew garlic, it releases a compound called allicin. This is where much of garlic's superpower comes from. Allicin has been shown to help your immune cells respond better, fight harmful bacteria and viruses, support your body's natural defenses. Your immune system is like an army of tiny soldiers, macrophages, lymphocytes, and other cells that are constantly patrolling. Garlic gives them a boost, making them more effective at identifying and attacking invaders like the viruses that cause colds and flu. Garlic is also rich in sulfur compounds and antioxidants. These help reduce oxidative stress, a kind of internal rusting that weakens your cells over time. When oxidative stress is high, your immune system works worse. When it's lower, it can defend you better. And why at night? Because at night, your body goes into repair mode. While you sleep, your immune system is actively repairing tissues, removing damaged cells, strengthening your defenses for the next day. So giving your body garlic at night is like handing your nighttime repair crew a powerful tool to work with. Call to action for the video. Do you often get sick or catch colds easily? Type immune in the comments if this is an area you want to improve. Reduces blood pressure. Now let's talk about something that affects millions of people around the world: high blood pressure. Garlic's ability to help lower blood pressure doesn't come from one single magic compound. In addition to allicin, it contains important molecules like diallyl disulfide and S-allylcysteine. These work together to help blood vessels relax. Think of your blood vessels as flexible hoses. When they are stiff and tense, the internal pressure rises. This is hypertension. When they relax and widen, blood flows more easily and the pressure decreases. Some compounds in garlic help the body produce more nitric oxide and hydrogen sulfide, both responsible for signaling the blood vessels to open up. This means less effort for the heart, better circulation, more stable pressure over time. Now imagine this happening while you sleep. It's like turning a high-pressure stream into a smooth, controlled flow during the quietest part of the day, the night. Your heart can work a little less. Important note: garlic can help support healthy blood pressure, but it does not replace prescription medication from your doctor. It's a natural ally, not a substitute. In your video, you can say, if you have high blood pressure or take medication for it, always talk to your doctor before adding large amounts of garlic to your routine. Improves cholesterol levels. Another major benefit of garlic is its impact on cholesterol. Inside your body, the liver constantly produces cholesterol. Not all cholesterol is bad. You need it for hormones, cell membranes, and many other functions. The problem is when there's too much LDL, bad, cholesterol, and too little HDL, good, cholesterol. Garlic contains compounds like S-allylcysteine and diallyl disulfide that can help reduce cholesterol production in the liver, support the removal of cholesterol from the bloodstream. Over time, this can help lower LDL, support HDL, reduce the formation of fatty deposits in the arteries. If you're concerned about heart health, clogged arteries, or have a family history of heart disease, adding garlic at night can be a simple habit to help your body manage fats better. You could ask your audience, if you or someone in your family struggles with cholesterol, type heart in the comments so we know this topic matters to you. Anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is like a slow, invisible fire inside the body. You might not feel it directly, but over time it contributes to joint pain, stiffness, heart disease, digestive issues, many age-related conditions. Garlic is naturally anti-inflammatory. It's not just the allicin, there's a whole team of compounds working together. One of them, diallyl disulfide, can block certain pathways and enzymes in the body that trigger inflammation. Imagine inflammation like someone constantly pressing the alarm button inside your body. Garlic comes in and says, "Relax, there's no emergency." It helps calm excessive immune responses that cause unnecessary damage. When you eat garlic at night, these compounds work while you rest, helping your body soothe inflamed tissues, relax irritated joints, reduce internal inflammation that contributes to pain and fatigue. For people with arthritis or chronic pain, this can be another natural tool to support overall comfort. Detoxifies heavy metals from the body. This benefit surprises many people. Garlic can help the body detoxify heavy metals. Metals like lead and cadmium can accumulate over time, especially if you live in polluted areas, work near chemicals, or have been exposed to contaminated water or air. These metals can damage the nervous system, the kidneys, the cardiovascular system. Garlic contains sulfur-rich compounds and certain amino acids that can bind to these metals. When they bind, they form complexes the body can eliminate more easily. Imagine heavy metals as tiny, sharp particles circulating through your system. Garlic comes in with a sort of magnetic glove, wraps around them, and helps pull them out. Some research shows that regular garlic consumption can reduce blood lead levels and protect organs from metal-induced damage. Is garlic a miracle cure for heavy metal poisoning? No. But as part of a balanced diet, it can support your body's natural detoxification systems. Improves bone health. Now let's talk about something especially important as we age: bone health. Over time, especially after age 50, and even more so in women after menopause, bone density decreases. This can lead to osteopenia, osteoporosis, higher fracture risk. Garlic, especially raw garlic, contains nutrients like vitamin B6, vitamin C, manganese, selenium, antioxidants. These nutrients support collagen formation, bone mineralization, protection of bone cells from oxidative stress. Some animal studies suggest that garlic oil may reduce bone loss in estrogen-deficient models, indicating possible benefits for postmenopausal women. When you eat garlic at night, you give your body additional tools during the period when it repairs tissues most actively, including bones. While you sleep, your body is constantly breaking down and rebuilding bone. Garlic's nutrients and antioxidants can gently support that process. Supports digestion and gut health. Now let's move on to digestion and gut health, which is more important than many people realize. Your gut isn't just a tube where food passes through. It's a living ecosystem full of trillions of bacteria, some good, some not so good. Garlic contains compounds like fructans and saponins that act as prebiotics, meaning they feed the good bacteria. A stronger gut flora can help improve digestion, reduce bloating and discomfort, improve nutrient absorption, strengthen the immune system, even positively influence mood and brain function. Garlic also has natural antimicrobial properties that can help keep harmful bacteria under control without wiping out the good ones. When you eat garlic at night, your digestive system is less busy with constant meals. Garlic has more time to act in the intestines. It can help soothe mild digestive inflammation and support a more balanced gut environment. If you often feel heavy, bloated, or uncomfortable after eating, introducing a small amount of garlic at night, along with a light, simple dinner, can gently support your digestion. In the video, you can ask, do you struggle with nighttime bloating or slow digestion? Comment gut if you want more videos on this topic. Improves sleep quality. This benefit may surprise you. Garlic can improve your sleep. We don't usually associate something strong-smelling with relaxation, but inside the body, garlic's compounds can support better rest in several ways, reducing oxidative stress, which affects the nervous system and sleep cycles. Supporting serotonin production, a key neurotransmitter for regulating sleep. Promoting better circulation, which helps the body relax. When your body is less inflamed, your blood flows well, your digestion is calmer, and your nervous system is less stressed, it's much easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Of course, this doesn't mean you should eat a large amount of raw garlic right before bedtime. That could cause heartburn or discomfort. But a small, well-tolerated portion during dinner can gently support your natural sleep cycle. Boosts sexual desire. Now let's talk about a benefit many people are curious about: sexual desire and intimate health. Garlic may not seem romantic at first glance, but inside your body, it does things that can actually improve your sex life. Garlic's bioactive compounds, like quercetin, diallyl disulfide, and S-allylcysteine, have a positive effect on circulation and vascular health. Better circulation means more blood flow to all parts of the body, including the sexual organs, which is essential for arousal and proper performance in both men and women. By helping lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol profiles, support healthy arteries, garlic contributes to a stronger cardiovascular system, and sexual health is deeply connected to heart health. Some research also suggests that garlic supports nitric oxide production, a key molecule for achieving and maintaining erections in men and for improving blood flow and sensitivity in women. Of course, garlic isn't a magic potion, but as part of a healthy lifestyle that supports circulation, it can be a quiet ally in the background. You can add a fun line to your video. If you've ever heard someone say, garlic is good for intimacy, maybe there was more truth behind that comment. Best ways to consume garlic at night. Now that we've covered the benefits, the big question is, how should you eat garlic at night to get the most out of it without irritating your stomach or your partner? Let's go through some practical tips. Raw versus cooked raw garlic is the most potent form. It has higher levels of allicin and other active compounds. However, raw garlic can be very strong and may cause irritation or heartburn in some people. If raw garlic is too intense for you, lightly sauté it or add it at the end of cooking to heat it without burning it. That way, you keep good levels of beneficial compounds while making it more tolerable. How much to eat? A gentle common recommendation is 1 to 2 cloves of garlic per night for most adults. This is enough to get benefits without overloading your system. More is not always better. Excessive amounts can cause digestive discomfort, heartburn, bad breath, or in very large doses, interference with blood clotting. Preparation method to maximize allicin. Crush or chop the garlic. Let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes before consuming or cooking. This time allows the enzymatic reaction that releases more allicin. Garlic tea. If you prefer a gentler, more soothing option, try garlic tea. Crush 1 clove of garlic. Add it to hot water. Let it steep for a few minutes. You can add a little honey or lemon. Drink it 20-30 minutes before bed. It's comforting and easier on the stomach. Combine with other foods. If you have a sensitive stomach, avoid eating garlic completely on an empty stomach at night. Instead, combine it with a little yogurt, a whole grain cracker, a light soup or vegetables. This reduces discomfort without losing benefits. Consistency is key. The true power of garlic comes from regular use, not occasional massive intake. Think of it as a small amount, almost every night, as part of a balanced diet. Who should be cautious? You should take special care and consult your doctor if you take anticoagulants, you have ulcers or severe reflux, you have upcoming surgery, you have strong digestive issues triggered by garlic. Conclusion: should garlic become your nightly ritual? We've explored the surprising world of garlic and its benefits when eaten at night. Strengthens the immune system, supports the heart and blood pressure, helps manage cholesterol, calms inflammation, supports detoxification, protects bones, improves digestion and gut health, promotes better sleep, and can even boost sexual health. All of this from a simple ingredient most people already have in their kitchen. The key is moderation, consistency, and using it as part of a balanced lifestyle. If this information was helpful, remember to like the video, share it with someone who loves natural remedies, and subscribe for more health advice and everyday food secrets. Now it's your turn. Have you ever tried eating garlic at night? Did you notice changes in your sleep, digestion, blood pressure, or energy? Tell us in the comments. Your experience might help someone else. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of natural health. Maybe more secrets are hiding in your kitchen. Stay healthy and keep learning. And yes, keep enjoying garlic.